Namaste, I'm Dr. Monica Keta, practicing at Arna Skin and Hair Clinic in Manikonda, Hyderabad. June is Vitiligo Awareness Month. So I would like to talk to you guys about vitiligo today. This is a condition where you find white colored patches over the skin. It mainly happens because of loss of pigment producing cells, also called as melanocytes, because of hyperactive immunity, where our white blood cells are fighting against our own melanocytes. So this can be limited or widespread. Limited variants, where the patches are present on one side of our body in areas where there are plenty of hair follicles, it is easy to treat and takes lesser time to treat. But the widespread variants, where you have patches on both the sides of your body, especially where the patches are on the fingertips or around the mouth area, because of lack of hair follicles, it takes longer or probably more difficult to treat these areas. So usually we use medicines or oral medication or application medication to treat this problem. But in these difficult to treat areas, certainly there are surgical options available. Medicines that we use are topical steroids or calcineurin inhibitors or steroid sparing medication called as tacrolimus, and orally or systemic treatment. If it is spreading fast, then we have to use medicines to suppress the immunity. It mainly comprises of steroids and other newly discovered medication is biologicals, but they are still under trials. Once the research is complete and FDA approved, then probably we will be able to use it to treat disease which is spreading fast or the forms which are not stable. Surgically, we try to transfer melanocytes from the normal skin to the affected skin in case of stable vitiligo, where there was no disease activity or new patches in the last 1 year. So this problem is a big social stigma, because the persons who are affected feel very conscious, so we have to empathize with them. Definitely this does not spread from one person to another on contact or in any other way. So we have to find support groups for patients who are not able to help themselves. In our country, Shweta Association and Vitiligo Friends are two forums which are available, and there are many other which are available on social media like Facebook, and we have to help a person who's affected reach out to these organizations to help build a positive body image. And for treatment, reach out to your dermatologist and find out what the best option is for you, because vitiligo can be treated or at least brought to an inactive state where it does not spread faster. In patients who already have lost most of the color in most body surface area, we have an option where we dissolve the bits and pieces of normal skin to match with the surrounding skin as well. So there are also dermal pigments, application pigments, which are available in plenty of shades in case you want to use it as a concealer in visible areas like the face, neck, earlobes, fingers, until the time this condition is treated. So don't worry, you always have a lot of scope to get normal skin in vitiligo. Just try to find the right place to go